Hi, I'm Kieran. I'm one of the directors and co-founders of Trusted Dolphin. The Trusted Dolphin website has been designed to be really easy to use. So you put your postcode in, you select a service from the drop-down box. This could be computer repairs, website design, buy new hardware, and then hit find. Once you hit find, the website will then produce a list of search results either in map format or in list format. And then what you're able to do is either request a callback or show details, get directions to their shop or their premises, or even contact them directly yourself. Trusted Dolphin has formed some really strong relationships in the IT industry. These are with Byte Software Services, Bigfoot IT, Servercase UK and Cloud Dolphin. So if you're a home user or a business user and you need IT support in your local area, visit trusteddolphin.co.uk today.